This year, the paper of mathematics basic and standard will be same. Basic and standard. So question paper will be same for both. There is no instructions from the board side that students will get a different question paper for maths basic and maths standard. So वो बिल्कुल भी अपने माइंड के अंदर से कंफ्यूजन जो है वो हटा दीजिए. Clear? Your paper, your question paper will be same. Fine. Number 2, the syllabus of mathematics basic and standard is the same. Syllabus and book of maths basic and standard is same. I don't know from where, who told you, from where you got the information that the paper will be different for maths basic and maths standard. Till now, we have not received any instructions from the board that that the students will have a different paper. Fine. So paper will be same. So chapters of the first term, those chapters, it is already clear. I have told you so many times in the class also what is the syllabus of your first term, how the paper will come, and about your projects, about your activities and all. So I don't know, I don't think there is any confusion to any student if, for this.
Sir, how we will get to know that we have opted for basic or standard? Sir,
There is no option available right now for basic and standard. So everybody is at the same level. So you will get the same question paper. Clear. As soon as we will get some instructions from the board in regard to basic and standard, we will share with you.
okay, sir.
Fine. Chalo. So I'm going to any doubt to any student in the previous lecture of surface area and volume.
No, sir.
Great.
No, sir.
Great. So come to the next topic, that is called construction. अब जरा ध्यान से देखना बेटा. In this topic, what is the previous knowledge testing? Previous knowledge testing. What do you mean by this? That means before the start of this chapter, you must know, number 1, how to draw an angle of 30 degrees. These angles I'm talking about, I'm talking to draw with compass. Number 2, how to draw an angle of 45 degrees. Number 3, how to draw angle of 60 degrees. How to draw, fourth is how to draw an angle of 90 degrees. How to draw an angle of 120 degrees. So these things you must know. So सबसे पहले students, there are almost 18 students present. Any student out of these 18 doesn't know how to draw these angles, he or she can ask me freely so that I can explain. Because these are the part of grade 8, grade 9 subject. तो आप में से कोई ऐसा बच्चा जिसको ये 30 का 45, 60, 90, 120 ड्रॉ करना नहीं आता, तो वो मेरे से पूछ सकता है.
Sir, 120.
120 एंगल यू डोंट नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ. परफेक्ट. तो एक तो मैं 120 के एंगल बताऊंगा, और उसके बाद आपको क्या आना चाहिए 6th में, हाउ टू ड्रॉ Bisector of a line. एक लाइन का बाइसेक्टर मीन्स how to divide a line into two equal parts with the help of compass. That is the meaning of bisector of the line. ये आपको आना चाहिए. Then how to take bisector of an angle. Bisector of an angle. ये आपको आना चाहिए. So how is there any student who doesn't know how to find out the bisector of a line or bisector of angle?
Sir, I don't know how to take out the bisector of an angle.
Okay. So anybody else? Great. So there are two things which I'm going to explain to you now. One is how to make 120 angle. Second is how to take the bisector of an angle. Perfect. So you must be ready with your compasses.
Sir, how to draw 30-degree angle?
How to draw 30-degree angle. Okay. So ठीक है, इसमें भी चलते हैं. So take your compasses, pencils. I'm giving you a minute. You can go. You can get those who don't have right now near their seats. They can get from their cupboards and come back quickly. So this is all previous. If you don't know all these things, then it will be difficult for you to get for the construction. So now there are three things: how to draw 30-degree angle, how to draw 120-degree angle, and how to take angle bisector. I'm going to explain three things to you. Fine. So I'm waiting for a minute so that everyone can come with their geometry box and compasses and pencils near you. चलिए, number one, how to take angle bisector. पहले सब समझेंगे, then you will do at your own. See, the first step is draw a line of a suitable length. When I will say suitable length, might be 6 centimeter or 7 centimeter. So मैंने एक 7 centimeter की line एक draw कर. Then suppose I draw an angle of 60 degree. So means put your compass at the point A. This line is AB. You have put your compass at the point A. Open it up to certain radius and draw a semicircle. It is better that everyone should switch on the camera so that I can see your face movement or a hand movement. I can guide you better. If the focus is on your notebook, then it will be very good. Otherwise, you can switch on the camera. So put your compass at the point E, draw a semicircle which touches the line AB at the point E. इसको हमने E mark कर लिया. Now you will not change the radius of the compass. The radius of the compass will be same. That means the same. Dilpreet's camera is very good, well focused. I can see her notebook. So now put your compass at the point E and draw an arc. The arc will be of the same radius as you have drawn with the semicircle. Once you have drawn a semicircle, don't change the dimension. With the same radius, put your compass at the point E and make an arc. Fine. Join it. This is your 60-degree angle. This is your 60-degree angle. Chinmay is doing good job. Zannat's camera is off. There are students whose cameras are off. Abhaydeep, Ashdeep Kaur, Aryan Arora, Janvi Behel, Tanmay, Vatsal. Okay, now whose query was for angle bisector?
So my Dilpreet.
दिलप्रीत. अब दिलप्रीत सब ध्यान से देखना. How to take the angle bisector? Fine. अब देखो. Let this point be F. This point I'm going to take as a F. Now, put your compass at the point E. Open it more than half of this arc. अपनी कंपास E पे रखिए. ये जो आर्क है जिसपे मैं मेरा पेन चल रहा है इसके आधे से ज्यादा उसको खोलिए. Put your compass at the point E, open it more than half and make an arc like this. दिलप्रीत हो गया. Put your compass at the point E, open it more than half of this arc. आधे से ज्यादा आप इसको खोल के रखिए. अपनी कंपास को E पे रखिए, उसको आधे से ज्यादा खोलिए और एक आर्क लगा दीजिए ऐसे. Now the same compass should be put at the point F. अब उसको जाके F पे रखिए. चेंज नहीं करना, जितनी वो खोल गई थी पहले उतनी ही, पर वो आर्क लगाइए, इसको ऐसे कट करेगी. That means first I put my compass at the point E. I have opened it more than half and I have made an arc. Secondly, I put my compass at the point F. I have make an arc which touches the previous arc at the point G. This point is G. Dilpreet, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now join A with G. Draw a line from A which passes through G. This is the angle bisector of angle ABC. This is the angle bisector of angle ABC. अब what is the dimension of angle ABC? अब देखिए ABC कितना था 60. So इसका bisector means equal part में जो divide करेगा वो कितना हो गया 30. So BAD is equal to 30 degree. So this is my 30. This complete is my 60. तो मैंने दो पर्पस सॉल्व कर लिए. एक, how to draw an angle of 30 degree. Secondly, how to take an angle bisector. Dilpreet, I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Whose problem was how to draw angle 30 degree? ये किस बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम थी?
प्रथम.
Is it fine with you now?
Yes, sir.
Great. So I did two things. Number one, how to draw angle bisector. तो किसी भी एंगल का बाइसेक्टर आपको ऐसे ही करना है. How to draw angle bisector. Secondly, how to draw 30 degree angle. Any student has any doubt in it? How to take angle bisector? Secondly, how to draw an angle of 30 degree? Any student has any problem? सबका ड्रॉ हो गया? कोई ऐसा बच्चा जिसका भी ड्रॉ नहीं हुआ है कॉपी के ऊपर? चलिए, तो ये इसको मैं क्लियर करने जा रहा हूं। अब एक फॉर प्रैक्टिस, draw an angle of any dimension and find its angle bisector. For example, कैसे? I have drawn a line AB. I have drawn any angle. मैंने कोई भी एंगल इस पे ड्रॉ कर लिया. I don't know what is the dimension of this angle. Let it be C. So that means there are two lines which are inclined to each other. One is AB and second is AC with common vertex A. Now I want to take the angle bisector of this. तो कैसे होगा? अब देखो, put your compass at the point A. सबसे पहले आपने क्या किया? You have put your compass at the point A, make an arc of suitable radius. ना बहुत लंबी, ना बहुत ज्यादा, ना बहुत कम. Put your compass at the point A, make an arc which touches at the point D and at the point E on of line AC and AB. Now, put your compass at the point E, open it more than half of the arc BED. अपनी कंपास को E पे रखिए, उसको आधे से ज्यादा खोलिए जितनी आपकी ED आर्क है. एक आर्क ऐसे लगा दीजिए. Now the same compass will be put at the point D and make an arc. Join it. This is your angle bisector. Let it be E. So angle BAE is the angle bisector. तो सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया? ड्रॉ लाइन AB. AC is inclined to AB. Such that BAC is the angle. Second point, put your compass at point A and draw an arc of suitable radius which touches AC at point D and AB at point E. Put your compass at point E, open it more than half of arc, open it more than half of arc ED and draw an arc as shown. Fourth, put the same compass at D, at point D and draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at point, let it be F. Join AF and extend to E. Angle BAE is the bisector of angle BAC. So this is the entire course of action for angle bisector. Any doubt or any problem to any student?
No, sir.
No, sir.
जी बताइए. हाँ जी.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Now, can I clear it so that I can go to the angle of 120, because there is one more query, how to draw an angle
Yes.
of 120. Clear. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to draw 120. अब देखिए, draw a straight line, let it AB be a straight line. In the same way, Put your compass at the point E and draw a semicircle of suitable radius. मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा ड्रॉ कर दिया, बट आपका एक suitable radius का एक semicircle हो which cuts AB at the point E. Now put your compass at the point E and draw an arc of the same radius which you have already opened. उसको हिलाना डुलाना नहीं है, जिस रेडियस का आपने कंपास ऑलरेडी ओपन कर रखा है. पुट योर कंपास एट द पॉइंट E, draw an arc of the same radius, let this point be F. Now put your compass at the point F and draw one more arc of the same radius which you have already opened and let it be as a G. I'm again repeating. Put your compass at the point E, draw an arc of the same radius which you have already opened while drawing a semicircle. Now put your compass at the point F, draw an arc which is G, join AG. Join AG. Let this point be H. Now angle BAH is of 120. Whose problem was this?
Lavandeep sir.
Okay, is it clear, beta, Lavandeep?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, if you will take the bisector of this angle, the bisector of this angle will be same. Why? This will be the bisector of this angle. Because this is of 60 degree. I know that 1 by 2 of 120, this is equal to 60. So ये इसका क्या होगा? Bisector होगा. If you try to find out with the help of your arcs also, the arcs will come here only. Means when you will put your compass at the point E, open it more than half like this, draw an arc. When you will put your compass at the point G, draw an arc, it will cut at this point, and when you will join it, this will be 60.
Sir, it is cutting.
Perfect.
Same point.
Very good, very good. Which implies angle A, angle B, AI is equal to half of angle BAH, which is equal to half of 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. So that means angle BAI, this is equal to 60.
Done, sir.
So one more thing I just want to tell you, under the chapter revision, on your portal I'm going to upload some case studies which are given on the CBSE website. So just go through those case studies. It will give you the idea how the questions will come in the paper. Fine. So I'm going to upload it after the lesson, means today, before noon. तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा छुट्टी से पहले उसको अपलोड कर दूं. तो आप अपने फ्री टाइम के पे जाके अपना उसको एक बार जरूर देखिएगा. ठीक है. जो आपके पोर्टल पे ही चैप्टर है जो अंडर द टर्म 1 के में बना रखा है, रिवीजन टर्म 1, तो उसी के अंदर डॉक्यूमेंट में आई विल ट्राई टू अपलोड इट. ठीक है. तो उसको एक बार खोल के वो केस स्टडीज को एक बार गो थ्रू होना. केस स्टडीज, क्वेश्चन आंसर, केस स्टडीज, क्वेश्चन आंसर. देयर आर 4-5 डिफरेंट केस स्टडीज which will give you an idea how the question can come in a paper. Fine. तो उसको एक बार आपने जरूर देखना है. तो इसमें कोई और किसी का कोई इशू, किसी तरह का कोई आपको लग रहा है कि you don't know how to draw the angle? Do you know how to draw the angle of 75?
Yes, sir.
75-degree angle.
Sir, yes, sir. Keeping the compass at 60 and between 60 and 90.
Perfect. Because this is the bisector of 60 and 90. कैसे? अब देखिए 60 plus 90 को ऐड किया तो कितना आ गया 150. If I will divide 150 by 2, what I will get 75. So you have drawn an angle of 60. Now you have, suppose this is my line, this is my semicircle. I have drawn one angle of 60. Then I have drawn one angle of 90. Suppose this is of 90, this is of 60. Now you have to find out the bisector of these two angles. Let the point be A and let the point be B. You have to find out the bisector of this. So put your compass at the point A, open it more than half of the arc of AB and draw an arc. Put your compass at the point B, draw an arc. Now this angle will be of 75.
Sir, I had a doubt from chapter area related to circle.
बताइए कौन सा क्वेश्चन है बेटा जी?
Sir, sir, I wanted to know, sir, will 60 and 90 degree only we have to find out from that or 120 as well?
From where?
So not the angle, but from area related to circle from the second exercise.
एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल में मैं आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ पाया बेटा, क्या पूछना चाहते हो आप? एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल में एंगल्स कहां से आ गए? बेटा व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन? आप क्या पूछना चाहते हो मेरे से?
Sir, the angle of theta, sir.
Okay,
like, sir, a
theta.
cos of-
See.
Yes.
Theta can be any angle. It can be 120. It can be 60. It can be 30.